Hey there! Welcome to this journey where we unveil the secrets of building wealth. Today we're diving into the millionaire mindset. Forget fancy cars and champagne wishes. This is about unlocking your inner money magnet and attracting financial abundance. Forget the rags to riches myths. Building wealth starts with the right mindset. It's about belief, strategy, and consistent action. You gotta ditch the scarcity mentality and embrace the possibilities. Think of yourself as a powerful magnet, attracting opportunities and resources that propel you towards your goal. Financial literacy is your superpower. Master the basics of budgeting, investing, and responsible debt management. Learn from successful entrepreneurs, financial experts, and even those who've overcome financial struggles. This knowledge is your roadmap to financial freedom. Patience is key. Building wealth is a marathon, not a sprint. Don't get discouraged by setbacks or tempted by quick fixes. Focus on long-term strategies, consistent effort, and calculated risks. Remember, even the tallest oak started as a tiny seed. Surround yourself with positive and supportive people. Find mentors, build networks, and connect with others who share your ambition and values. Their experience, advice, and encouragement can be invaluable on your journey. Financial well-being is holistic. Take care of your mental and physical health, manage stress, practice gratitude, and invest in your personal growth. A healthy mind and body are essential for making sound financial decisions and staying motivated. Remember, the millionaire mindset is not about luck or privilege. It's about belief, knowledge, and consistent action. Take control of your finances, embrace the journey, and watch your wealth blossom. Now go out there, unleash your inner millionaire, and make your financial dreams a reality. Thanks for watching. Your support means the world to me. Please show some love by liking and subscribing. It truly makes a difference.